Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to hide the members in a WhatsApp group. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Make sure that it's updated to the latest version. Now, once you have opened WhatsApp, go to the plus button in the top right corner and then go to create a new group. Now, once you have clicked on create a new group, you can add as many members as you want. Now, once you have added the members, you can name the group and add a photo if you want, and then click on create. Now, once you have created the group, you will be landing on this page, which is the group conversation basically. So you can click on the banner in the top, and then here you will find yourself on this page. Just scroll down a bit and then go to the add group to a new community option. Once you have clicked on add group to a new community, you will find this panel where you will be asked to create a new community. So click on get started in the bottom. Now, once you have clicked on get started, you will find yourself in this panel where it says a community name, and you will have to get a welcome message. Now, this is optional. Of course, you can type whatever you want here. Just type test. And then here you can add the group that you made to the community. So click on OK. Now, once you have done that, just go to your community. And here, this is the conversation. Then go to the banner in the top. And here, if I scroll down a bit, the members of the community will be shown. Of course, whichever people you invite to the community will only be visible to you as the admin and won't be visible to others. And that's it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.